Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 24 May 2018, 12 of hour, 54 of minute and 28 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can amlodipine cause you to cough? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can amlodipine cause you to cough. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can amlodipine cause you to cough. The cough caused by ACE inhibitors is thought to be due to a rise in bradykinin, which is a peptide causing blood vessel dilation and thus lower BP. The mechanism of amlodipine causing cough is not fully understood, but consider it as a culprit for a persistent cough. Last update October 21, 2010. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.